Hey guys, Lisa from Hello Happy, and I am back with a new tutorial for y'all. It's for this cute little egg fidget toy. You can connect it to a keychain and take it with you everywhere you go, but basically you just can keep popping it over and over and over. Yeah, you know how fidget toys work. Let's go.
Star
So
Wipe.
to make your own little egg, you're going to need some embroidery floss and a 2mm hook. You'll also need an embroidery floss needle and some scissors, and if you want to put it on a keychain, you'll obviously need a keychain, and I think that's it. Alright, so to get started, make a magic ring of 6 single crochet, and then round 2, do an increase into each stitch.
And go ahead and use unjoined rounds for the entire project.
For round 3, go ahead and do another round of all increases. Next, do 4 rounds of single crochet around without increasing to make your little round egg yolk poof. Alright, time to switch colors. So for round 8, switch colors and repeat single crochet, increase around, and you'll be at 32 stitches. For round 9, you're going to single crochet into the first 4 stitches, and then you're going to do 2 double crochet into the next 4 stitches. And then you're going to repeat 1 single crochet into 3 stitches, 1 increase using single crochet 6 times, and you'll end up with 42 stitches. For round 10, you're going to double crochet, and then do a double crochet increase 7 times, and then you're going to repeat single crochet, increase with single crochet 7 times. And for round 11, which is the final round for this egg, you want to just repeat single crochet into 3 stitches and increase around until you reach the end. For this egg, just cut your floss, short, pull it through, and just leave it to weave away for later. So technically speaking, you could just stop here, weave away all your ends, and call it done if you're just gonna sit this egg on top of your computer desk or something and play with it. But if you want it to be double-sided, you'll need to make another egg. So to make the second egg, go ahead and repeat rounds 1 through 8 from the other egg and then come back. So in order for the 2 sides of the egg to line up with both of the right sides facing the outside, you have to do the opposite of what you did for the first egg. So for round 9, you're going to increase and then single crochet into 3 stitches 6 times. Then you're going to do 2 double crochet stitches into the next 4 stitches and then 1 single crochet into the final 4 stitches. For round 10, you're going to repeat increase, single crochet 7 times, and then you'll do increase, double crochet 7 times. And finally, for round 11, you're going to increase, single crochet around until you reach the end. And for this one, leave your loop open, don't finish off, because next you'll be crocheting into both eggs using that open loop. But before that happens, move all of your ends to the inside of each egg, make any secure knots you feel like you need, and then snip all of the ends short so they're out of the way. Leave the ending tail of the first egg you made though the way it is so that you can make sure you weave it away so that it disappears later, because it's too hard to do that now. Wait until it's finished and then take care of that. The next step is to line up your eggs. Put the one with the open loop on the back side of you and stick your hook through the stitch that is opposite of your open loop. Then you want to go ahead and insert your hook into the loop, pull that tight, and then pull the loop back out through that stitch. So that was 1 slip stitch you just made. Now go through every single set of lined up stitches and do 1 slip stitch through each of them in order to join the eggs together, and then when you're done, you have an egg! So yeah, here's what you should have when you're done. A little squishy egg that you can just go bloop bloop over and over. Now if you want to attach it to a keychain, then you'll need to grab your keychain and some pliers and get that on there. I attached mine right about there, so feel free to also do that.
Isn't she lovely? Isn't she wonderful?
Alright, and that's the end of the tutorial, so hopefully you've made a cute little egg for yourself. It should go without saying, this is a free pattern, so don't sell a pattern using this pattern that's not You can't do that, okay? But it's fine if you want to sell little egg fidget toys on like your website or market or something. If you have an online listing, just put that the pattern is by Hello Happy. That's all I require. All right. Bye.